Okay. Questions 11 through 13 says compute mentally. The one thing I want to remind you, this happens on your test. It doesn't give you a next set of directions for 14 and 15. I want you to draw a line right here, right now. Because I get people that don't understand. As soon as I get to estimating, I'm going to tell you the word to right to the left of there. That makes the problem totally different. Mentally means you got to grab that big sheet with all your reduced fractions on it. I want someone to raise their hand and tell me, what's the reduced fraction for 5%? We did a warm-up that one day and I said, hey, keep this sheet. It's going to save you a ton of work later on. Garrett?
5% is 1/20th.
1/20th of 240s, 240 on bottom. Now you'd have to look at this and realize 20 times, how much is 12? 20 times 12 mentally means you're really not supposed to show any work. 20 times 12, 1 times 12, my answer is 12. I'm supposed to see a connection from 20 to 240, 10 to get to 200, 11 to get to 220, 12 to get to 240. 20 times 12 is 240, 1 times 12 is 12. 30%. Who can raise their hand and tell me what's the reduced fraction for 30%? Gabby? 3/10 of 1,500. Now, I have to multiply by 150 here. I need 2 zeros. There's my 2 zeros. I need to multiply by 150 here. Officially, I'm supposed to try to do as much of this in my head as I can.
I know it.
The reduced fractions work. 3 times 150. Who can give me my answer for 3 times 150? Laura? 450. Next one, 25%. What's my reduced fraction for 25%? That's one we should be able to actually, don't forget, include your zero. I'm just making sure you're paying attention. Who can raise their hand and tell me what 25% has a reduced fraction? Usually it's not the one who makes the most noise, way in the back of the room.
This one's question 12, not number 13.
Okay, what are you trying to interrupt us on? Yes.
Okay, how come you did 450 and 15,000 or whatever you 1,500? Couldn't that be simplified?
1,500 can't be simplified, no.
You said you're not simplifying it anyway.
Good afternoon. Sure can. Thanks. Bye. Now, yeah, you can reduce this all the way down later on. It's going to give you your 3/10. They're trying to get you to get a bigger number there, so you probably don't want to reduce that. Now, I got to get number 13 done. 25%. What's my reduced fraction for 25%?
1/4.
1/4. 1/4 of 20. Of 20 means 4 times 5, 20. 1 times 5, 5. Now, when it says estimate, please, right off to the side here, compatible numbers. Now, compatible numbers are numbers that are close, quick, easy, and are pretty accurate. They're not going to give you the exact answer, but they're going to be pretty close. Who can raise their hand and tell me what fraction should I use for 33%? Alexis? Nope, fraction. Just 1/3. Now, what can I throw on bottom that clicks with a 3 easily? 209. This is known multiplication facts. What can I put on the bottom that's going to go in there pretty easily?
9.
Solid.
211.
No, 211 doesn't.
Oh.
Try again. 210 would work really well here. If you can see 3 times 70 is 210. 1 times 70, 70. I'll slide it over.
How do you get 1/3?
That's right on your homework that you didn't pull out yet. The warm-up that you did a long time ago. Now, last but not least, I want 9 over 35. Who can raise their hand and tell me, I'd like you to keep the 9. What can I put 9 over that reduces quickly, cleanly, and easily? Tanisha? 36 becomes 1/4. 1/4 is a what percent? What percent can I use for 1/4? Alexis? What'd you say? 25%. So, mentally, right here, those are exact answers. I'm gonna have to, on your test, draw a line. I've seen when people get to estimating means compatible numbers. You won't get exact answers.